In this video, I'll show you how to transform a regular tree branch into a cute fall tree. So these are the leaves that I want to add to the branches. Now they're all connected together on this floral bush, so I'm just going to use a wire cutters to separate those. So I'd like to make these stems even smaller, just so I have a little bit more to spread around on the branch. So what I'm going to do is prune the stems, leaving 2 to 3 sections of leaves per stem. So I think I'll prune that one right there. So there we have a small piece to use. This one I'll probably do and just leave 2 of them. But basically I'm just separating that one large stem into a whole bunch of littles so that I can spread them on the tree a little bit easier and make the floral bush go a little bit further. So here we have one section of the branch. Now I have one of those floral stems right here that I'm going to add, so I'm just going to place that right next to this little branch like so, and then using some floral tape I'm going to wrap this around the little sprig and the stem of the branch. Now they do sell green floral tape. I decided to get the brown because it matched the branch that I was using the best. This is a little bit of a tedious process, but if you have some music playing, it's not all that bad. I always like to kind of squeeze along this just to make sure everything is nice and secure. So there we have a fall branch on our big branch. So I'm just going to continue adding more of these little sprigs onto the branch. And there you have a neat fall tree. So I'm just going to put this in a planter really quick and I'll show you the finished look. Welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher Heidemann and I love to decorate. Over the years, I've had a blast sharing a variety of craft and decorating videos. From cozy fall and spooky Halloween to warm and inviting Christmas. And other fun videos, including seasonal home tours, garden tours, simple desserts and treats, floral arrangements, and other projects to make your holidays and home even more spectacular.